Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for vanilla pudding from scratch. And I have made recipes that are kind of similar to vanilla pudding, but they are specifically used for other things. We had like pastry cream and we had like a vanilla custard, but this time it's just a simple vanilla pudding that anyone can make. So let's get started.
Not too many ingredients. We need 3 cups or 675 milliliters of milk, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of sugar, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, a dash of salt, 3 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1 tablespoon butter. In a medium saucepan, add butter. Pour some cold milk into the cornstarch and whisk to combine with no lumps. Add salt, sugar, and the rest of the milk into the saucepan. In a separate bowl, add the egg yolks. Stir together. Heat saucepan over medium-high heat, stirring often with a whisk. Heat until the butter melts completely and the milk mixture starts steaming, but does not come to a boil. Whisk a bit of the hot milk mixture into the egg yolks and add the egg mixture to the saucepan, as well as the cornstarch mixture. Continue to heat, whisking often until the mixture comes to a rolling boil. Stir in vanilla. Pour into a bowl and lay a piece of plastic wrap over the top, touching the surface of the pudding. Chill in the fridge at least 4 hours. This pudding turned out perfect. It's smooth and sweet and soft. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.